Coronavirus. What exactly is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a family of viruses that cause sickness like the common cold, or much more severe disease like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or severe acute respiratory syndrome. The virus we are dealing with is called SARS-CoV-2, and the disease that it causes is coronavirus disease 2019, or COVID-19 for short. Originated in bats and was transmitted into humans, possibly with pangolin as an intermediate host. Unfortunately, COVID-19 is now spreading from human to human. The cases are severely critical, typically for an older or immunocompromised individuals. How does COVID-19 affect the body? The virus is fitted with protein spikes sticking out of the envelope that forms the surface and houses a core of genetic material. Any virus that enters your body looks for cells with compatible receptors, ones that allow it to invade the cell. Once they find the cell, they use the cell's machinery to create copies of themselves. COVID-19 uses same receptors as SARS. It has three phases of attack: viral replication, hyperreactivity of immune system, and finally, pulmonary destruction. Coronavirus invades two types of cells in the lungs: mucus and cilia cells. Cilia cells are the preferred hosts of COVID-19. When these cells die, they slough off into your airways, filling them with debris and fluid. Symptoms include a fever, cough, and breathing difficulties. Many of those get infected with pneumonia in both of their lungs. Enter the immune system. The immune cells recognize the virus and flood into the lungs. Sometimes the immune system overreacts, causing damage to healthy tissue. More cells die and slough off into lungs, further clogging and worsening pneumonia. As stage 3 begins, it results in respiratory failure. Patients that reach this stage of infection can incur permanent lung damage or even die. Inflammation results in more permeable alveoli. Increase in permeability causes fluid to leak in lungs. This makes them unable to oxygenate blood. Proteins called cytokine are immune system's alarm system. Overproduction of cytokines can result in a cytokine storm, which results in large-scale inflammation. Blood vessels become permeable and fluid seeps out, which makes difficult for blood and oxygen to reach rest of the body and can result in multi-organ failure. Although there are no specific treatments for coronaviruses, symptoms can be treated through supportive care. Also, vaccines are currently in development. Basic protocol comes down to regular hand washing, avoiding close contact with anyone coughing or sneezing, washing your hands after contact with animals, thoroughly cooking meat and eggs, and covering your mouth while coughing or sneezing. Thank you for watching.